I'm Nathan Ray, this is Jamchester 2016. I've got Team Rad C here. Let's see Rad C what they're up to. Where are you from and what's your name?
I'm from Preston originally, but now I'm living in Salford.
And what's your name?
Andrew Wilson.
Andrew and
Dale. I'm from Bradford and I live in Huddersfield.
Huddersfield, yeah.
I'm Richard. I'm from Kansas City, but I live here in Manchester.
Yeah, and you are?
Chris, and I'm from Bury.
And how do you guys know each other? Or do you not know each other?
We don't. That's the first time we've actually met. So,
Yeah.
Through Jamchester.
Put a time together.
Yeah.
Was that last night or were you?
Last week, wasn't it?
A couple of days, yeah. That's how these things happen.
Yeah.
That's good. And what are you working on? What's this game that you're building?
It's about a psychopath, basically. He's basically going around his bedroom and he's kind of like seeing objects and things from his past that he's done, and obviously how these relate to his current life, which is actually in prison.
Oh, he's in prison.
He's actually in prison,
Yeah.
but he's dreaming that he's actually living his dream.
And how is he interacting with these objects? Is it flashbacks or what?
Yeah, it flashes back. It goes back into like an image, so it's into an actual like structured scene sort of thing that's been predetermined, and then so it's going to be sort of flickering between the prison scene and the bedroom, so just every now and then, just so everything sort of aligns up and.
It's just synonymous, yeah.
So how are you doing that? Like from a development point of view, how are you merging those two scenes as you do them?
They're actually going to be in the same scene. We're just obviously moving the player. We're just flashing them between.
So we're literally just going to offset the position, just
right.
so that they're both in the scene, not visible to each other.
Yeah, so he's
and then
just jumping from one to
just
another.
literally not this. Yeah.
That's interesting way of doing it. Yeah. And if you do that, obviously, if you do that quick enough, it's just a single jump.
Yeah.
No one will ever know.
No one will ever know.
It's better than loading a whole new scene in. So.
Yeah. And what are you working on at the moment?
We're working on scene transitions. We don't that very good because it's fading from a black screen to a clear screen. So it's.
So we're actually doing the fade into the actual images.
Mm-hmm.
So which then fade in, there's a zoom in, sort of zoom out, and then fade back out, and then back into the scene. So.
Okay. And those transitions are they a bit tricky? Are you starting them out?
No, they're okay. We just have to we're just getting our code together.
We've done the hard bit, but now we're just sort of getting it together, to make it into a one piece sort of thing. So.
Excellent. And what are you working on over here?
I'm working on the prison cell. So I've finished the intro with the bedroom, and now I'm working on the prison cell. We're trying to
revealed.
Yeah. We're trying to match the two together, so they've got the same basic layout. So
the bed and the window and that.
Yeah.
Kind of thing. Yeah. That is good. No, it sounds quite interesting. I'm looking forward to seeing this and see how you do that as a transition.
I haven't tested it yet.
I haven't tested it yet. Okay. What was your name again?
Richard.
Richard, and are you working on the sound, or you?
I am. I'm doing all the sound effects and the music.
Yeah. And how does the sound change between the bedroom and the prison cell?
Well, between the bedroom and the bedroom is always sort of a dream or memory, so there's constantly music, and the sound effects sort of take a second role. Mm-hmm. Whereas when you wake up in the prison cell, it's no music, and the sound effects are much more full and reverberant.
Kind of a harsher, kind of echoey kind of sound.
Yeah,
that's good. And what are you working in here to put these together?
I'm using Logic.
Excellent. And you can place the sound sources around space.
No, they're actually placing it. Yeah.
So you just export the sound files then.
Right.
That's right. Okay. That's cool. Okay. Thank you very much, guys.
Thanks.
Pleasure.
Sounds interesting. Cheers.